do tune in every time you find time. We love you, appreciate you. Loguhle FM family. Thank you.
Good day, everybody. Sanvarani. This is your girl Charlotte on the Youth Empowerment Show. Sanvona, welcome to the show. I'm saying 8 minutes after the hour 2 o'clock. It means it is that time of the day where you get empowered with the beautiful Charlotte on the Youth Empowerment Show at Loguhle FM, the one and only home of inspiring content. Sanbingelela all the way from Nelspruit to City Sanbonani. We are greeting you from the place of the rising sun. We do not have too much sun today. It comes and goes. It's a very chilled Saturday. Busy weekend lenguluge in Nelspruit today because what? Listen, machipi ayangena ayaphuma. I'm seeing cars from KZN and a lot of cars from Joburg today. Yeah. You know what? Makulu weekend lengulu. This is definitely a weekend lengulu. It is the 5th of April today. It is a beautiful Saturday in Nelspruit. Lowville Botanical Garden is hosting farmers market. I saw that I think at Coyote Shisenyamba they are going to be hosting Uncle Waffles. There's my favorite DJ Zinhle's husband Buddha at farmers market today. I think he was said to be performing at 1 up until quarter to 2. I don't know if he's already done that. You know what, I don't even want to go on socials because I have to work, you know. This Java also today, that is why I am playing you guys. I just played you guys and ingoma yes Java leti Abangani. Is it Abangani? Yes, I played you a beautiful song by Java Ati Abangani. So you know what, as you are preparing to go see Java, please do stay tuned with us on www.loguhle F. Guys, ngijabule kakhulu. Ngijabulisa ukuthi nje iweekend lenkulu na sport, you know, even if I'm not part of a weekend lenkulu, but like a weekend lenkulu na sport, and it's always a pleasure being with you guys. It's always been a pleasure you know what, talking to you guys and hearing from you. We are live on www.loguhle.fm, and please do send us like a WhatsApp voice note or a WhatsApp text on 064 7455 886. It is 064 7455 886. Make sure that you are tuned in because we have the most exciting content for you guys. And today I want us to talk about us, you know, talk about us, young people, talk about the pressures that we go through as young adults, you know, the youth in their early 20s, mid 20s, early 30s, you know, where we just feel like we should have everything figured out. There's work, we want to have fun, we know what, we want to be able to do certain things for our families, we want to do, and go figure to a point where we feel so much pressure because kuba kuningi. Isikhathi I'm saying like 11 minutes past the hour 2 o'clock. Yeah, I'm going to be with you guys from now up until 4 p.m. Tim's the Bold Voice with his team. They had, I'm sure you guys had a beautiful afternoon, mid-morning towards afternoon with him. So yeah, please stay tuned. We are going to have a beautiful time. Today on the Youth Empowerment Show. It says, I live in that solitude which is painful in youth, but delicious in the years of maturity. This is a quote by Albert Einstein. And he says that he lives in the solitude. When we talk about solitude, we're talking about that lonely time of being alone that is painful, but then it is delicious in the years of maturity. And I'm saying that the reason why I resonate with this quote today is because I feel like a lot of us as young people, we feel like we're alone in our youth. You know, we all go through the same things, but when you're going through it, it feels like it's my thing. You know, I feel like it's my thing that ngiyazama kupatanisa everything. I am trying by all means to be able to help out Ekaya. I'm trying by all means to be able to live the life that I want. I'm trying by all means to better myself. I want to go to school. I want to do this. I want to do that. And sometimes even some of our dreams are so we scale ourselves. Sibuge, people that have been doing this prior as coming into the field ugabo, and sibe depressed, singafili kahle, kube kwangathi hayi man guys izinto ayihambi kahle, and that is simply because we put so much pressure on ourselves and we forget to leave, you know. So I am saying that this coach, we should actually live opposite it, you know, and not live up to it, and saying that yes, we know that if we do life rights in our youth, it's going to benefit us in our years of maturity. But let's start by being kinder to ourselves. Even manje, let's start by being kind to ourselves kusase manje, because like guys, life is too short to say I'm gonna start being kind to myself at 45, or I'm gonna start being kind to myself at this age, you know. Start now. Be kind to self. Guys, Weda Bongs was playing today. I don't know is or was, but he was there at Farmers Market. He's supposed to be there. Angat nomaseka performile. If they did stick to schedule, he has already performed. He's one of my favorite artists. So I'm gonna play you guys a beautiful song by him. It's a very new song. I think it dropped on the 22nd of March, if I'm not mistaken. It is called Glory, and I hope that you guys will enjoy it. You know, I hope that you guys will enjoy it. Please do make sure that you contact me, guys. 064-7455-886. We are also live on Facebook. Follow us in all our social media platforms. It is Loguhle FM. Make sure ukuthi ifone yakho nje mayinganayo iLoguhle FM app, you're doing it wrong. Especially if you're my friend, or like you like me. What's there not to like in this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful face? Charlotte, to the beautiful Charlotte on the Youth Empowerment Show today. 15 minutes past the hour 2 o'clock. Now I'm going to play you a beautiful song by Weda Bongs, Ati Glory. Go pay Glory, guys. Hello, hi everybody. Ngidedele yabi Farmers Market la studio ngeke phela. Hi guys. Hello, hi. Hello everybody. Sunburn. I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend. Yabalanga namuhla.
Mbombela, Gauteng, Swaziland, Barberton, Nkomazi, Botswana, Malawi, Ngodini, Free State, Limpopo, KZN, Gwandebele, Lesotho. Inspiring content.
You are indeed listening to Lokuhle FM, the one and only home of inspiring content. Hlelina Charlotte on the Youth Empowerment Show, the beautiful BBW. Same corner, guys. Never must no man. Speaking of let's do that. Sithe studio Sunburn and Ninjani. I hope that you guys are having a fantastic weekend as we are preparing. I know a lot of people in our space are preparing to go to the farmers market. Others are just going there because you know what, they want the vibes. Others are already there. Please do drive safe. Almost throughout the country it is raining, so please do make sure that you are safe wherever you are. At about 20 to 3 we are going to be hosting a beautiful lady from the University of Pretoria on our student profiling feature. I know that some of you were excited to hear from Kiki from the Limitless Art. Unfortunately, she was held up. She's not going to be able to join us today, but nonetheless we move. We hope that whatever it is Limbambile gets solved quite quickly, and we're hoping to host her on another day. But as for today, I just played you guys a beautiful song. Did you guys hear that? So that was Meda Bongza. He was featuring a couple of artists in government, guys. It's so encouraging. It was you know what? It's featuring Nomfundo Mo and Nontogo Zomkize. So I'm pretty sure that if you guys have not downloaded that song, if you guys don't know that song yet, consider me your plug. Please do take time to listen to it properly. There's a reason why I enjoy this guy's music. It's not just, not just for the sounds, because yes, the sounds are also, proper, but it's also like the way he does his music is just amazing. Something 23 minutes past the hour 2 o'clock. It is a beautiful Saturday, the 5th of April 2025. This is our first show of the month. Youth empowerment. So briefly nje sinikhumbude ukuthi what is April all about. Sibuya March, we celebrated Human Rights Day. We also celebrated what else did we celebrate again? There was also on Human Rights Day, the UN was also celebrating a day of not discriminating anyone from any particular race. But guys, a good thing that we come from such days where we commemorate people that fought for our freedom, people that fought for our rights, and we still live in a country where our rights are, distorted. We still live in a world where it does not matter ukuthi you have a right to safety. It does not matter ukuthi you have a right to justice, because everyone deserves justice. But when we're looking at the justice system of our country, it is so sad what is happening. It is so sad to watch things that are happening. We will be celebrating Freedom Day on the 27th of April. Which is in turn going to be observed on the 28th of April, since the 27th is already on weekend on a Sunday. But we are celebrating how many years of freedom now? It's on how many years? 1994, gang. It has been 31 years. And like after 31 years, there are still people that are raping women, that are raping children, that are violating our children, young men and women, and we're still in the cry for justice after 31 years. I don't know if it's really worth celebrating. What are we celebrating, guys, as a country? What are we celebrating as a nation? And just, I don't know what needs to be done for us to just change our ways of life, because it is so sad that on the month where we are supposed to be celebrating our freedom, we are still saying justice for Cwecwe. We are still crying with this so many victims of Pastor Omotoso. I mean, how does a person become free of about 32 charges of rape? Like, how is it possible that you walk free? I read something. Let me actually read it from the quote from SA News. It says Nigerian televangelist Timothy Omotoso was acquitted of 32 charges, including rape and human trafficking, with the presiding judge blaming the prosecution for failing to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt. Like, how is our justice system failing us this much? Like 32 cases of rape and human trafficking. How many kids, how many people have been trafficked? How many people have suffered because it's inhuman to do things like this. And we are saying, okay, so what? Because I mean, who then has the guts to go report if nothing is done about it? Like, who then feels like it's okay for me to go report that I have been violated? As we are going to celebrate as we are going to celebrate Freedom's Day, I plead with everyone in the country for us to join hands and fight against gender-based violence, and fight against human trafficking, and fight against this outrageous crimes that our people face each and every day. Yes, we understand that with this high rate of unemployment, this high rate of poverty. But if we join hands and do something about it, if we join hands and you do not allow yourself to despair in poverty, or you do not allow yourself to say, because I'm unemployed, then I will turn into crime. Let's try to find means of starting businesses. Let's try to start means of helping one another. If we could stand together and help one another and have singabi nabo bantu that are drowning in substances because they feel depressed ngoba they are not making ends meet. If we can join hands and support one another as a country, as young people, instead of being in competition with one another, instead of being happy when you see ukuthi makhelwane akaphumeleli, yeah, vele batocela kithi, you know, instead of being happy with that, try to empower the next person so that tomorrow senda live lethu live that we are happy and we are proud to live in. Guys, you know, as young people, we tend to forget that the future lies in our hands. We tend to forget because kubukeka kwangathi old people are holding forth, they're holding powerful positions and whatnot, and we are fighting. Kotinati, we want to be in spaces, but what are we doing when we get to those spaces? What will we bring to the table when we get to those spaces if we are not mentally prepared to lead our country? Like, guys, I said, man, I feel like we can do better. I feel like we as young people of South Africa can do better. So let's try and do better. Let's try and do better. I plead also with parents, Guti, ascend in raising this generation. As leaders in communities, as leaders in societies, as leaders in churches and whatnot, let us have these conversations. Sometimes they look like they're barbaric, and solo kukhulunywa ngalogo. Yes, kukhulunywa ngako because nothing is being done about it. Siyekela njani kukhuluma ngako. You know, today we are supposed to be talking about the groove and be talking about what's happening in Elspeth and whatnot, but I go vumi for us to neglect the fact that I can't be kahle. You know, I go vumi for us to neglect the fact that khona man log ngahambi kahle. Some things are just not supposed to be the way they are, guys. On that note, it is 30 minutes past the hour 2 o'clock. Usahleli naye the beautiful Charlotte on Lokuhle FM on the Youth Empowerment Show. You know what? Please make sure it's a date every Saturday between the hours 2 and 4 p.m. Make sure you don't want to miss this beautiful face. You don't want to miss this beautiful voice. Every Saturday between the hours 2 and 4 p.m. Please make sure that you're tuned in. Be ready to get inspired. Be ready, you know, to have fun. Be ready. Manja, put on your dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes. It is a Saturday. And don't forget to live your life to the fullest. Please make sure you drop us a comment. We're live on Facebook. Hello everyone. Thank you to the viewers. They come and go. Drop a comment. Tell us go to ngale content let's share today. Or maybe you want us to wish someone a birthday. On that note, happy birthday to Zwele, my cousin's son. Happy birthday, boy. Ukhule Zwele uthanda ibola. Ukhule and be a great soccer star and be whatever it is that you want to be. Make sure guys, I feel like the sky is no longer the limit. The sky is no longer the limit. Let us keep on dreaming. Let us keep on making sure we push ourselves to the limit. The sky is no longer the limit now. The future belongs to those who dare to dream.
Lokuhle FM, inspiring content.
Yes, ulalele yona ke iLokuhle FM, the one and only home of inspiring content. Sikhathi simekela lapha ku 32 minutes past the hour 2 o'clock. It is Saturday the 5th of April. Weekend enkulu in Nelspruit. I hope la khona you are having fun. I'm gonna play you guys the song. It's by Buhle. It's called Inyembezi. I love the song so much, and yeah, I always fight with my little sister about the song. She says she introduced me to the song, and I feel like I introduced her to the song, but like, who cares? We both love the song. ingawa namhlanje kusasa iphinde ivuke phele amandla phethwe ikhanda kusafanele ukuphila kodwa mangibeka phezulu bakhumbula amazwi asiwele phansi okungabulali kuyaphilisa There you have it. This is Buhle Ati Inyembezi. The fight between myself and my little sister will never end. She still insists that she introduced me to the song, and I still insist I introduce her to the song. But please listen to the message of the song. This is a beautiful song. It's my motivation to you right now as a young person, regardless of what you're going through. Listen. Give us a klangan. This is a beautiful song, guys. Hi. I don't know if it's because I can't see. It's not showing me who's watching. I can see pictures, but I can't see the names. Ngabe ngiyanivusela kahle, guys.